Hi guys, and welcome back to another VLOGOWEEN video. Okay guys, so today we are going to be doing a set of CORALINE nails and we're going to be doing it on the beautiful Rosie. Unfortunately Rosie's a little bit messy because I did the dip, I had to go with the dip stuff and it's like proper. I haven't washed her basically. I just need to give her a good wash and I haven't done. But I'm in such a rush to get all of this, like, these Halloween videos done for you guys that, you know, it's hard times, guys, hard times. So today I'm going to be doing a set of just a really simple gel polish with decals. So I'm just using this blue colour. It's called Midnight Satin and I thought it was quite a good colour. I'm going to be doing CORALINE nails today. So I've got some CORALINE decals from the lovely Queen of Decals. And yeah, I just thought, why don't we just do some nice simple nails for you guys? Because I know that everybody, like, not everybody who's into nails and doing nail stuff is into actually full on acrylic nails. I'm going to have to do a few coats of this just because it's separating a lot just because of the material that it's going on top of. It wouldn't do this. This isn't like a bad gel polish, it's actually quite a good gel polish, but it's because it's going on like pure plastic nails. It's all good. I have to hold the hand like this when I'm doing gel polish, otherwise I end up knocking the nails together. So if anyone's wondering why I'm holding the hand slightly strange, that's why. It's just the easiest way to do it. Sorry about the dogs in the background, by the way. Okay, let's whack this to cure and hope that the next layer goes on a bit easier. So I've gone in with another coat and that's much better now. So I'm now going to start going in with my decal. So I'm going to put the other mother here. I like to get some it's going to be hard to do this one actually. Get a bit of monomer. You just want to be careful that you don't lose any of the picture. So that's the other mother, and then I'm going to put CORALINE on this nail. So she's kind of like looking at CORALINE. And let's put CORALINE here. And then the monomer just melts the edge of the plastic. I'm not sure if you can actually see what I'm doing, but just don't want to lose any of the picture. Then I'm going to put a button down here. And I'm going to put another button. I think I might have put that button on upside down. I quite like that. So we're going to have two different buttons. I'm going to put this one the right way around. But that's just like... So she's got 2 buttons on there. So, I just ran out of memory, but hopefully, I don't think I missed much. I don't think you guys missed much. I have just put those buttons on, but hopefully I will have got that in shot. I'm gonna now put a key on here. Oh no, we've got a hair. Hairs everywhere in this house. We're just gonna put a nice little key on this one. Sorry guys, I think the postman's here. Okay, and then finally we're gonna put other mother. So it's another mother, the other mother, another other mother. Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. And we're gonna just put her here, so it's kind of like they're both kind of like facing Coraline, like, you child. About there, I think. Right, so I'm now going to go in and top coat, and you guys can use whichever top coat you like for this. There are hairs everywhere guys, it's really annoying. When I'm using decals, I do like to do a couple of coats, 2 to 3, depending on how well you've got it stuck down. It's going to depend on your client as well as like how heavy-handed they are. You want to make sure you've got really good coverage. And then cure. This is the finished result, my lovelies. I feel like it's not focusing that well today, which I find really weird. So the key is a little bit difficult to see because of obviously the colour scheme, but I kind of like that. I kind of like that it's not super like standing out, if that makes sense, and you can kind of, it blends in with the background a little bit. I do quite like it. I've only done 1 layer of top coat, obviously definitely do more and it'll look a lot smoother. I think the Coraline nail I think is my favourite one. It's called. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a quick and simple one. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. You can get these decals from nailtechnetwork.co.uk. The link is down in the description box, and also you can get 5% off of the website if you use my code IdleGirl. These are Queen of decals, and you can get them on that website. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you loads, and I'll see you in the next one.